So basically, I graduated high school, I am in my new house right now, and welcome to my first college vlog ever.
Oh my god. I'm the best friend. Happy birthday.
You're gonna burn it! Just blow it out! He was way with here. Can you imagine we lost the keys? And we're home at in Broadway. Aww. Now we're until our meeting.
I'm terrified.
Ready to go. Oh. Hey! Hey! I got hit by a car there.
No, I'm gonna drive by.
So cute! I love it! Two stars are born. I want a picture. Yeah.
My head next to yours.
Birthday! GPS! Love you too.
Okay, that's happening.
Oh, my butt! We made it to New York! Rockefeller tree. This is on my forehead. And the rat runs out and jumps on her foot. Insert moon emoji. Ooh.
Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Uh-oh, I have loss of hair. I want to hold it.
She's barely an adult. She's like not even legal.
Oh, I like some tan. Sad and excited. I love you.
Right now.
Eat more chicken, not cow.
Great.
What do you want me to do?
Very well fun tonight.
Hey, Lahana.
Hi.
Good night.
Hello. Good day.
I like your hat.
Getting it.
I gotta get cookies. Eat. Okay. Shot one.
It's disgusting.
Wake
Barcelona. It's going! It's going! Lightning thief, and we are literally in the first row. You're serving chocolate! My new roommate. Yay! Here's what it looks like.
Soaking up the sun for these pasty stuff.
Currently on the side of the road because my car is smoking. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Down. Boom. We are in the beautiful Grand Canyon. And we just completely lost a tire.
Squidward.
You flexing for the camera?
Sunny California.
It looks really good.
I second that.
Oh my god!
Yes, you can. That's not the same thing.
Yay, Rebecca! Teacher! Oh my god!
Love you too, Mallory.
Leanne is.
Another turning point,
I
a fork
like
stuck
that.
in the road.
Caveman back in action.
Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
I am in a magazine.
University Spring Graduating and Alumni Class of 2021.
Ooh, yeah, graduate. Ah! Thanks.
Do it again. Missed it. I missed it.
I want to take yourself out with the mask on. How do you feel? Hot and sweaty. Just graduated. Yay. Woo!
We will miss you, and this university is very proud of you. And remember that you will always be a cherished member of the Wilmington University family. Congratulations.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.